Online entrepreneurs. If you're in the business of managing multiple accounts, you know it's no easy feat. Whether it's for social media marketing, affiliate programs, or online stores, dealing with different profiles can slow you down. Now think about a browser that's designed to take the hassle out of multi-accounting, one that lets you switch between different profiles quickly and securely, making your day much more productive. With the right tool, you can avoid common issues like mixing data or triggering security alerts. Using a browser specifically made for multi-account management is a must for anyone looking to stay organized and efficient in today's fast-paced online world. That's why GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting. It offers all the features you need to manage various profiles easily without compromising on security. Try GoLogin and see how it can help you streamline your account management process. It's the ultimate solution for anyone who needs to juggle multiple accounts effectively.